Hi, I'm Dan Kamin. Welcome to my magic parlor, where we'll discover all the amazing things you can do in the virtual world that you could never do in the real world. For example, in the real world, you couldn't simply wave your hands over a $50 and turn it into a big silver dollar. That would be impossible. And in the real world, I could never take that big silver dollar and do this with it. That would require far too much practice. But I've discovered that in the virtual world, you can sometimes bend the rules. Sometimes you can even break them. But the best thing is that in my magic parlor, you'll discover your own magical powers. Interested? We'll just say the magic word, SHAZOOM, and away we'll go.